Welcome back, everybody, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Robert.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Xavier.
And we're Third Shift Paranormal, and tonight we are investigating Bird Bridge out here in Emporia, and we are investigating with Logan and Aarons Investigates.
So, the legend here actually is one that's based in a lot of truth, unlike a lot of crybaby bridges here. A woman named Sandra Bird was found one morning by hikers with an extensive amount of damage done to her body, and she was in the river beneath the bridge in front of her car with no sign of ejection from the vehicle. And later they found evidence to support the idea that she had been beaten and then thrown in front of the vehicle. And they aren't certain who did it. There was never a solved crime. However, her husband was a reverend, and it was highly suspected that he did it after a bout of infidelity, or his mistress could have also been the culprit as well. So we're hoping tonight that we can maybe get some answers, find out who actually killed Sandra Bird and gave birth to the legend of Bird Bridge.
Alright, everybody, about to walk over Bird Bridge itself right now and see what it's all about. Completely.
Oh, it's wooden.
Yeah. This was, when Sandra Bird was found, that was in 1983. I don't know how long the bridge itself has been here, but it's pretty old. You can see through. Do not misstep. Do not misstep.
Hey, go for it. Crunch, because there's not even water underneath this part.
So yeah, guys, as we're finding out right now, we probably shouldn't have even driven across this bridge.
No.
This thing's extremely sketchy.
I didn't even realize these tracks on it.
Yeah, there's something reflective in there.
Huh?
That? It's like an old, like either road close sign or something else, you know, like we saw on the road up ahead.
Yeah.
Oh man, energy drink.
Oh, and if you guys hear trains, sorry about that. If there's like a train track, probably a mile down the road.
We're in Kansas.
We got stuck by it. Actually, it was kind of creepy. It's pretty dark out here. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this investigation. Aaron, you got an EMF detector going?
No, not yet.
Did y'all just hear that big snap?
Yep. That was
Back behind Aaron. No, it was back behind Xavier and Aaron. For
Yeah,
I
I
thought I
thought
saw someone walking over there.
that was just
That was-
you
I
moving.
think that was
Yeah, well,
me
that's
hitting the
that.
backpack.
Wait, I think I see someone.
Person?
It looks like someone with a backpack. Look, over, like, no, over towards me. Like left, no, right. Where? Right, no, left. Right there. Lower, low, like down by the, no,
No.
okay. That literally looks like someone crouched over the backpack.
No, I just, you just hear something in the water down there.
That could just be fish. Oh. Just trying to see.
Wow, two-handed.
Catch anything. Vibes with you. How's everyone feeling?
a little cold, but it does feel creepy.
Yep, that's about it.
I don't like that.
I just feel cold.
I don't like the bridge.
Structurally.
Yeah, I'm kinda
Vibe-wise, structurally.
want to stay on this thicker piece. I feel like I'm gonna fall through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
I mean,
dude, but look at this thicker piece. It's caved in more than some of the other pieces, so.
But it's like double reinforced. It's on top of the other piece also.
That
It's
is
going
weird.
across.
It's all sketchy to me.
Well, yeah.
But if the whole car is going across,
It says up to 10 tons.
yeah.
Because the one date I do have is when Sandra Bird was found, which is
don't worry, don't expect
1983.
me to be able to see anything. I just looked into
Yeah.
Xavier's life, so.
So that's already
You're
ridiculously
just
old.
scared.
I'm just trying
Wow.
to not see dots anymore.
Well, there's only 2 remaining bridges in Kansas that are these old original bridges like this, so
They're cool.
it's probably a reason why. as
Stay
we can
tuned
see.
for that
I just
other
realized.
bridge incoming videos, correct, Aaron?
Yep.
You didn't realize it's
Sorry,
666?
do it again.
No,
I was distracted by that.
I don't want to anymore.
He said.
It's not a good clip anymore.
666. He said, yeah, I think it was
You
great.
can't say do it again.
Yeah, I thought it
That's
was.
literally scripting your content.
No, it's not. It's just I'll respond this time.
I'll respond.
I was distracted. Literally, I only heard half
I
what you
just
said
heard
'cause he said,
something
"Look at
sound
that."
like glass clink or
Yeah, so
some
did
shit.
I.
No, I think it was me. I just kicked the rock.
Yeah.
No, it definitely was not
Yeah.
you. No,
No, it was off of the side.
it was over here. It was like a cling. I thought it was metal, but glass sounds pretty close to what I can hear. If there's any spirits out here, we have a couple of devices. Green light, just go up to them and touch the green light. Make it spike if there's any spirits or anything here that'd like to communicate with us tonight. Should we go ahead and introduce ourselves?
I'll let the spirits know.
Yeah.
I'm Robert.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Logan.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Xavier.
I
I didn't want to break the circle.
didn't know what order we were going in.
Okay, the middle of the bridge feels a lot heavier.
It does sound like it.
Well, it looks like the river used to be a lot wider and bigger.
Yeah.
I doubt the car's still gonna be here.
I guess someone caught 2 fish right here.
What? Oh.
But you would think this either this general area or right across it would be the general area the car would have been found.
Yeah.
I'm leaning towards this side.
This side?
Yeah. I can't tell you why. It's just a gut instinct.
Not very deep anymore. The only reason I feel like they find it on that side is because it looks like they had to reinforce that side with the bar because look at this side doesn't have.
Yeah.
And look where it's detached there. I haven't been paying attention, but no, it's kind of detached all across it. But
Hit by something because it broke the whole thing loose. This one's still welded together.
yeah.
It popped the bottom welds. It snapped this brace in half.
But you gotta think, dude, this accident, this murder, whatever,
what
happened so long
shush,
ago.
shush, shush.
Oh, it's this.
Okay. I was like, that's terrifying. I thought that was something laughing. Like
Dude.
high-pitched.
Yeah.
Okay, it's so crazy that nobody, like, everyone's catching a weird vibe. My camera, when I point it straight right here, won't focus.
Is it kind of like not towards like
Huh?
the middle of
Is
that
it 'cause
snow
of
pile?
distance, though? It
No,
doesn't
because
have
I
to be
pointed it
focused
down
on
low at that, and it didn't pick that up either. It won't focus on my
Are
hand,
you like towards the middle
Now
of
it
that
is.
snow pile?
but it wouldn't. Yeah, like straight on in front of me.
Yeah,
I don't think that's snow though.
I thought it.
No,
Whatever.
it's definitely snow because there's some up here.
Because I thought I saw some.
I mean, I guess that makes sense. We're hella north now.
And when you stay along water like this, it'll stay.
Yeah,
It's a little
colder.
colder, so.
Is there a street sign down there in the water?
No,
Like
I
a
think
road
it's like
sign
one of the
again.
old.
Oh, it's one of the
Road
old
closed
road
sign.
closed.
The stars are nice though. And the moon.
Let's make them all before it rains. It's pretty good.
Oh, that's gonna be great for tomorrow then.
Yeah. And then it's doing
Damn, dude, you almost told the fans what we were doing.
No, I almost
doing
did.
the other video, the other investigation for the weekend. Bro.
How you feeling, Xavier?
Cold.
Yeah, that's fair.
But it does feel different in the middle of the bridge, honestly.
Yeah, because we were hanging back there for a solid minute, like no
Yeah.
one wanted to come this way.
Maybe try to go this way now.
See if we can make it across.
1 fish. Wait. I wonder if it says redfish, bluefish on the other ones.
Oh.
It did say something about fish on the very first one, actually.
Yeah.
I just didn't read it.
I think Andrew and Whitney are.
Andrea
in love.
with
So what's like the most?
I bet they're still not together to
No.
this day.
What's the most like known activity on this bridge?
Hearing screams, car doors unlocking and locking. You know, basic bridge haunting stuff like everybody else.
Okay.
But
That noise again.
Like the squeaking?
Yeah.
Except there's not really any wind blowing and none of us are near it.
Well, it also took me a good bit of force to push that with my foot. It didn't just easily wobble.
It's old and rusted.
Yeah, it
It
didn't
could
wobble
be an
easy.
animal.
On the bridge, though, it was. Or if it's not that making the noise, I
Yeah,
guess.
that's
But
what I'm saying. Yeah, man, that animal moved quick. Road runner out here. If there's something making that part of the bridge move over there and squeak, can you do it again for us? I hate this bridge. I don't know why, but I have like, I don't know.
What?
I just have like a feeling of like I don't like it. You know what I mean? Yeah.
It's definitely creepy. It's also massive and really, really old.
I feel like I heard talking over there.
I thought I heard like a.
Have
Oh,
you
yeah.
gotten any hits on EMF?
No, I haven't had a thing pop off
No.
on mine. Alright.
You just got a yellow.
What the?
as I pulled it back out,
Where's your phone?
my right pocket, it's not doing
Oh, mine's.
And now hers is spiking.
And you'll get a third one.
If there's something standing right here, can you go ahead and spike another one of these detectors for us? Let us know that you want to communicate.
Is that a car?
What?
No, that's just still the rumble in the train.
Oh yeah, dude. If there's a car, we got a book.
I will briskly walk.
And then you're getting ran over.
Good.
What's that movie? Stand By Me?
Yeah. But that's a train though.
Yeah, I know. Pretty close though.
It's actually kind of
Pretty close.
similar,
Yeah.
yeah.
Holy fuck!
What?
I almost had a heart attack, bro.
Sensor.
I did not hear her step away from beside me. So all I,
What do you mean? She was never beside you.
well, like on this side of you,
Oh.
to my right.
I walked around so I wouldn't walk in front of
I didn't hear you
cameras.
move or see you. So all of a sudden, all I see is a very pale something in the blackness behind Robert, as a silhouette just passed by, and it was solid.
I'm scarier than any ghost will encounter.
I almost
Don't
died.
you be saying that.
That might be the most scared I've gotten out of one of these. I almost had a heart attack.
Me with the cat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, a cat?
Yeah.
Which
The
one?
night we went and did the Ouija board at El Paso Cemetery,
Uh-huh.
a cat came out of nowhere and I literally fell because it scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, we got that one on camera too.
Was it the same cat that we saw when we were at Derby Cemetery?
No.
Oh.
This one belonged to like a family that it followed them around.
Yeah, they literally walk their cat in the cemetery every night.
Interesting.
I want to walk Maverick in a cemetery.
First off, Matt's too dumb.
That sounds like a vehicle.
Well, should we make it across the bridge?
Yeah, I was like, wait, none of you guys are
I just wanted to
Well,
say-
to be fair, I'm the cameraman. I follow everybody else.
Right.
We're all just cameramanning today.
I'm not.
I got a big flashlight because it's dark. And then EMF. Once we figure out where we can actually put it down here.
I think we just sit in the middle of this bridge.
Oh, never mind. We're chilling.
I
I
was
see a car coming from this way from a mile away. Our worry is the other.
Well, yeah, the other way you have.
Little to no time to react.
Yeah.
I'll just get right up against the sides and hope that it doesn't vibrate.
Hope we don't become the next bird.
Poor joke. We had to censor that.
Nah.
Alright, so
Anyways, let's bring that.
I think we're gonna go set some flashlights up and see if we can get some contact. Something definitely proved it was here earlier with the EMF detectors, so let's go ahead and head back to the middle-ish of the bridge.
I can't feel my fingers.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do we want to take a break?
Yeah, let's warm
My
up for a
hands are cold
second.
as shit. Warm up.
Because it is.
And we just had EMF detectors going off in sync. I don't know if I'm getting here. There it is.
Mine just hit red.
Yeah, I think I'm catching it. Oh, wow.
If something is here that wants to communicate, can you spike 2 or more of these EMFs to yellow, please?
Hold yours down a little bit more. I'll tell you when it's in the shot.
I'm on the rest.
Yeah. You're still not on it, I'll be honest with you.
I did spike these 2 to yellow, though.
It did. I didn't like how now I have all three. Can you go ahead and spike 2 of them again at the same time for me? If you're camera shy and want us to turn off the cameras, can you spike just one of them?
2. If you want us to keep the cameras rolling, then can you spike 1 of them to yellow? Thank you.
It's like going, like it literally went from Roberts to Aarons.
Can you go to the one that's on the center console? Just a little bit. Thank you.
Oh, wow. That was a good one.
There's a car coming.
There
There
is
is.
indeed a car
We
coming.
are off the edge, though.
I know. I just saw a car.
Aaron, are you rolling?
Oh, wait. Nope. This one's about to die.
Okay.
I just changed batteries, too.
Good thing we weren't on the bridge right now. Wind spiked.
It's really small.
Can you spike this one
Here's
that's
another.
between me and Aaron?
Now we just don't get anything. Just kind of came to check us out and then it kind of left, it looks like.
Did this one right here just spike?
No, I don't think so.
I heard it chirp. But I didn't see a light, though.
I thought I saw a light on the camera.
Want me to get out Spirit Talker?
Yeah.
See if that gives us anything.
And I'm gonna record this car that's coming.
I'm trying to see if it's the same car.
There's no way they made that loop that quick. Because we saw them coming from way out on the other road.
Oh, hell no, bro.
Should I?
Yeah. They're just making sure you probably weren't passing too.
Is there some Theorosis Bridge type of legend with this one, where like if you do a certain thing on the bridge, something will happen? That might have been what they were doing.
Not as far as I know of.
No, I'm pretty sure they're just making sure he wasn't trying to go over the bridge too. I know the car was off too, but
But it's better safe than sorry. You never know who's gonna start driving at you.
Yeah, that's fair.
because you gotta think about it, it's a 1-lane bridge.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we were just sitting here on the edge. Now, if he would have left them off when I turned mine back on, raps.
Why is this bridge so active?
What time is it?
You saw that?
12:21.
What?
Did you laugh at me?
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
this is Friday
You
night,
struggling
could
to
be
turn off the
people
light?
coming home,
Yeah.
aren't their houses back there?
You gotta get really close with it to.
I'm gonna be really terrified this cat ball goes off.
Oh yeah.
That scared me.
Oh my bad.
You know, we could just get out of people. Remember, we got the cop mode.
Well, that's true.
It's bright.
Alright. If the spirit that was here spiking the device in the car is still here with us, I've got another device out here you can use to speak to us. You can actually tell us words, sentences, so feel free to interact with it.
We also set up a cat ball back behind Hannah, I believe.
Yes.
So if you want to set that off, all you gotta do is tap it and it'll show pretty colors for you.
Right here. I can't see it. There. I can get a shot of it. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, I can't find it.
Cat ball sitting there.
Feel free to use the energy from any of our equipment.
Speaking.
Do you want to speak with us? Are you wanting to talk with us? Another car?
Get that car.
This might be a cop.
Let's say that had a weird third light on it.
Yep.
Hello. Being blinded, so. This is awkward.
No. How's it going, officer?
Just checking on you guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
What are you guys doing?
we're ghost hunting.
Ghost hunt,
Really?
too.
Yes,
We actually got camera rolling.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You guys get anything?
We were getting some
A little
spikes
bit.
a little bit,
Okay.
and then
Nice.
that just said speaking about like 2 minutes before you pulled up.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
You got license on you guys.
Gaining more energy.
Gotta wait for dispatch. I know you guys are not in trouble or anything.
No, you're
We
all
just don't
good.
get a lot of cars out here unless they're
Yup.
Yeah,
doing
no,
stuff on the bridge.
I
so.
totally get it. There you are, man.
Line 5, Cameras 27. King 03992960. So you guys are from Hayesville,
Yeah. Yeah.
and you guys just travel everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We actually just started back in October, but
Cool.
Yeah.
Line 5, line 9. You get 10, 11. They're just ghost hunting. All right. Well. Line 510-4. You show me 24, Nate. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here so you guys can maybe get some readings. I'm into stuff like that too, so I think it's pretty interesting that.
You can sub to the YouTube.
Yeah, we got
Really?
YouTube
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah.
Let me check you guys out. That's awesome.
Hold on, I got you. There's one of them.
That's ours.
We got hoodies.
Robert, rip out your arm.
Logan and Aarons Investigative.
Was that the channel?
Yeah, that's our channel, and then they got their own
I
channel.
was say if you go to ours and scroll down, theirs is on the bottom of ours. It's Third Shift Paranormal.
Logan and Aaron Investigate.
You guys know the story, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a movie. I've seen the movie when I was a
Oh,
kid.
there is.
Really?
We
Yeah.
just found
Yeah,
out
we
Yeah,
just
about that
found out.
movie.
it's on YouTube.
Really?
If you guys may want to pull it up, maybe.
Yeah,
get a
I'm
inside
gonna check
scoop
it
or
out
something,
for
but-
sure.
That's awesome.
Have
For
you had
sure.
any experiences or anything out here?
You know, be honest, I drive through here a lot,
Mhm.
and I'm like, man, I'm gonna see something.
Yeah.
And it's just me, so I get kind of like, I just kind of go in and go out. So
She killed,
That just
she
says she
killed.
killed.
Yeah.
that's what it says.
Yeah,
it's
right
like
here.
That means it could have been the Reverend's mistress.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You guys have like, what is that, EFI readings or something like that?
EMF
We got
detector.
EMF.
EMF, yeah,
detectors.
yeah. Does it spike sometimes?
Yeah, so
We were just
so
getting
so like,
spikes before y'all pulled up, like
Really?
right
2
there.
minutes before.
But like really, like your phone, if you get your phone super close, it'll set it off because of the 5G. And
Right.
But
right.
yeah,
Got a little bit to go on them. And
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Cool. How long you guys plan to be out here?
What time is it?
It's
12:30.
12:30.
12:30.
Not. I mean, probably like another hour or so.
Yeah, we'll probably leave between 2:30 and 3 at the latest.
Because we got a long drive back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Manifesting.
Manifesting.
Manifesting we get out of here on time.
All right. Well, if you guys need anything, if you guys, well, I'm not sure how we can help, but
If you just hear a panic call from here, just know maybe
Yeah.
we got thrown off the bridge. No, I'm just kidding.
okay.
That would
It
take
takes
a lot of
some
effort.
Hey, they're talking, so all right. Y'all have a good
Hey,
one.
thank you so
Thanks.
much. You have a good one. All right, guys. Well, as you guys just heard from a local cop, this place is haunted, and apparently there's literally a movie made about this bridge, and we didn't know about it.
Actually, me and Xavier
But,
learned about this.
just
yesterday.
Oh, he was a
found out
sheriff,
about
too.
it.
Okay.
Lyon County Sheriff.
What up? Alright, so
I'm
Yeah.
upset.
are you upset that the officer left? Did you?
Did you like him?
What if all the energy from his radio and stuff was helping it communicate?
That is a whole. His computer's full of
Dude,
His
electronics.
computer, all of his radio stuff that he had right here
Dude,
beside us.
His whole car is basically a computer at that point.
Wow. That could have helped.
We really need an EM. pump.
Wait, hold on. This might be a long shot, but hear me out. She killed. He was telling that to a cop.
Oh. Manifesting. I'm trying to manifest. Like I'm trying to tell you. Like.
We did say like our goal is to find out who
Wait,
did it,
no,
but
no,
that
no.
makes a lot of sense.
I don't know if that's a long shot though.
Well, I wanted you guys to hear me out.
No, that's like really good.
No,
That's-
that's actually like, it makes sense.
So-
Like very good sense.
I know y'all can't see.
Hold on, let us fix that.
Well, that one's getting amazing audio.
Oh.
This one's getting
Y'all want to see my pretty face again?
All right, guys. So I know that it's kind of early on, but that's a really good take. And the fact that that was an officer that was just up here and it did say she killed manifesting. What else did it say while he was here?
Efforts, and then
She was
I'm
making-
really
upset-
trying.
She was
effort.
making the effort to get it known what happened here.
And we
like-
didn't process that.
And then afterwards, immediately afterwards, I'm upset. Like I didn't get my message to the authorities. Like
That's kind of crazy.
good call, Hannah.
Not only crazy, that's kind of sad.
That is
is.
sad.
And he said that like he always gets like kind of scared when he comes around here. What if it's not just him? He was like, oh,
We're
it's
all
just
good.
We're all good. Like
It's okay. Like I tried.
yeah.
We're all good.
Well, if you want to tell us your story tonight, we will do our best to get your story out. Make sure it's known what really happened here on this bridge. I just got full body chills.
Yeah, I
I've
did
been
too.
shaking.
No, I felt like I've been warm in the car, and that was
Yeah.
just like
I actually just can't believe how cool that was.
that was
Creepy.
yeah, creepy.
It is creepy
Yeah,
that we
here.
all just got chills.
yeah.
That's insane.
Carl, return off the save the battery.
Why is it not turning itself off?
That's why. Because it's still running.
I forgot I turned it on for the cop.
That's fair.
Yeah, one of those cars definitely called and was like,
I bet it was
yo.
this truck. I bet it was a truck that passed when they stopped to see if we were.
Probably.
Probably.
But like, I knew when we saw multiple cars pass, I was like, someone's gonna call the cops.
cops.
But I was like,
But now they know we're out here.
yeah.
We're chill.
Yeah.
And he's into it. He just subscribed to us. So if they get another call, he'll probably radio dispatch to 10 for that because
Terrified.
or to 1011 that because we're good.
Did that cop leave because he was getting scared of you communicating? What was that?
What?
There was like a ting.
Oh, I just thought it was like the car shutting off.
No.
Oh.
This car's so new it
No,
doesn't
honey,
make
the
a
car's
noise.
been shut off.
No, but like even Frank sometimes like like it settles a bit.
Yeah, this car's too new to settle.
Here's the thing.
Okay, sorry, my car's kind of ghetto.
The motor never started.
That was in aux
We
mode.
were in idle, basically.
Nothing started.
Yeah, it was. I have no explanation for that.
That was weird.
Was that you that knocked on the hood there or tinked on the front bumper?
It must have fall up in the mouth.
He's like, oh man, I forgot. This is way bigger.
Can you tell us your name? Who are we communicating with right now? You know all of our names.
Camera.
What about the cameras? Do you not like them?
We can use the cameras to help get your message across. Get your story out there. Find out what happened to you.
SHHH listen.
Anyway, listen.
Huh.
Do you remember when I asked if someone committed suicide on this bridge?
She said her throat was getting tight.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we got that on cameras, but earlier when we were all setting up, I was walking on the bridge, and I walked back to the boys, and I was like, hey, do you guys know if anyone has committed suicide on this bridge? And they're like, not that we know of. I was like, well, my throat just feels really tight, and I get sensations of how people, and it just felt like someone was hung.
Oh, that's crazy.
Insert.
Yeah, mine went to the second green.
I don't know what to make about 12.
Now.
What's now?
That's not supposed to happen. These are supposed to shut off at the same time.
That should stay on until the entire dash goes out.
And that just said now.
Yeah, they should come on when the door opens too.
Yeah, and our battery's
I'm
not bad.
enjoying this.
I'm enjoying this. Yeah.
Are you messing with the car?
Great.
What did it say?
Great.
Great.
Were you able to gather a bit of energy while the car was on?
It went from sporadic to putting out a lot all at once.
Mm-hmm.
No, but guys, I'm so serious. That gas tank was not at anywhere near a quarter of a tank when I was on the highway. Or else I promise you I would have stopped.
I feel hopeless.
Why?
Do you feel like no one's ever gonna tell your story? That no one's gonna find out what happened?
Maybe it feels hopeless because it thought its only chance was that cop talking to us, and then it left. The cop left. So. Do you want us to get out of the vehicle and go back to the bridge? Try some different type of communication over there?
I was cremated.
Oh, wow.
Same.
Well, who are you? Can you tell us your name?
I mean, do we know what happened to the body?
I'm just thinking that was she cremated afterwards?
Like I said, I have no idea.
We should find out. Edit this in here.
Yeah.
Basically. Because I only know just the small, basic bits of the story.
Because it was in the 1980s. I'm sure there's records of it somewhere.
It's gotta be.
Or could Mabel, the person who hung themselves, been cremated? Or person that potentially hung themselves? Because from the sounds of it, there's been more than one death.
Clearly.
At least in this area.
Like I said, we don't know how many stories could be around this bridge.
Well, this is also Native American area.
Conjure.
Okay, something really does enjoy the batteries though, because this battery was completely full and it's
Oh, it's gotten colder.
Yeah, because we got water.
Like a flashlight on this side, flashlight on this side, candle in the middle type deal.
And Hannah right here.
Throw up a REM pod.
that's very brave. Take twice as long to get up when you need to run.
Whoa! Oh, okay. Thought I was going in, guys. I'd be the worst one to go in. Whoa. Hey, something's here.
What the f?
What?
Something just touched my back. I'm not you. Things don't touch me. Something just touched my back.
I saw Hannah go like this. She flinched.
No.
And then she said something.
No,
just
here, come here. This is what it felt like. It felt like.
I saw you flinch, and I think Xavier's camera caught you flinch, and whatever color he might have been in at that time.
No, that felt like someone was doing like that. On the No.
What?
Did someone just hear a plunk?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me know when I'm right, Aaron.
Should
You're
set it to-
purple.
Set it to 0.
You're pink. You're red.
Red. That's, yeah, there you go. T-fast red.
Don't bring it over here.
You have a shoulder that is.
Oh my god. So, I said something. You know how like something here and then she freaked out? This went from full to 2 bars, but then this went up a bar and this went down a bar. Like at these.
Coyotes.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't
That
a
did
coyote.
not sound like a coyote. That was a high.
That was a
pitched squeal.
Wheel.
Long, drawn out.
Look, there's more.
That's screaming.
That's one of the reports.
No, people are coming. Or that's an animal.
Those are that sound like a pack of coyotes.
That
to
is a
me.
whole pack.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. That's a shit ton of them out in those trees.
Yeah, that's exactly what that is.
Alright, well, let's see how this goes.
I'm not feeling great anymore.
I was like, no.
Not feeling it anymore. Those are getting closer.
Quickly.
Yeah.
I don't know how y'all hold on.
You got a second one, huh?
Nope.
Got one.
Oh, you brought 2.
I'm standing this way.
If they had gotten there earlier and come up, I was gonna give Robert one of them, but no, I didn't think to bring it down when we met him downstairs.
Alright, if there's anything here with us, we'd love to communicate with you. We're welcoming anything here at this bridge or on this property, anywhere around us, to come communicate with us here. We got 2 flashlights set up. We got a thing called a REM pod. All you gotta do is grab that antenna right there, get close to that circular thing, and it'll go off and show pretty colors if you want to communicate with us. Did a murder take place on this bridge? Thank you. Could you go ahead and turn that flashlight off for us?
Thank you.
Thank you. We're gonna mark that one as yes for you. The other one on the other side of the REM pod is gonna be no. Can you turn no on for us? It's gonna be the other light on the other side. Works the same way.
And now they don't like the REM pod.
Was it the Reverend's mistress that killed her out here?
Or did the Reverend and the Mistress do it together? Did they kill Sandra Bird together on this bridge?
you're still here, can you give us a sign? Go ahead and turn on one of those flashlights again for us. Well, what are we thinking?
Earlier, one did say they did want to stop talking to us. Maybe they've used up their energy and they're just done now.
Yeah. Do you want to give the spirit box a try and call them out?
Yeah, I say so.
No, I don't want anything else to grab me.
I think there was some argument going among the spirits there, and disagreements.
Yeah, so with that being said, we're going to do the final part of our investigation.
Red.
I think it
Anyways,
likes me.
We're going to be doing our final part of our investigation, which is, of course, something with the spirit box. We're going to go ahead and do it over the radio again. We always seem to get really, really good results from it. We have a good time, and just with it being cold outside, it's just the easiest thing to do.
I'll have it tilted. Xavier can see it better.
With that being said, are we ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Side hustle.
Side hustle.
What's your side hustle?
Ghost hunting.
Hello, is there anyone here with us?
Me?
Who is me? What is your name?
That sounded like a very creepy yell.
That's what I heard.
We're Indians. That's an Indian.
Let me tell you about them.
Who do you want to tell us about?
Flashlight.
Oh, well, flashlight in the car. Can you tell us who you want to tell us about?
Now.
Do you maybe want to tell us about the situation with the bird family on this bridge?
Could you tell us about Sandra or tell us about her husband?
It's like
I don't
no
know.
idea
I don't know what that
who
said.
that or something like that.
Can you repeat that? We couldn't understand you.
All of them.
All of them. Flashlight.
If you're in the car with us right now, can you turn that flashlight back on? Go ahead and give one of us a tap on the shoulder.
It better be him.
Did that say Logan?
I think so.
Logan.
It's me.
Who is me? Can you tell us your name?
If there's someone behind us, go ahead and pull my hood off my head.
Are we talking to a friendly spirit right now?
biking a bit in sync again.
Did it say heater?
Probably.
Are you cold right now? Does that go away? I think so. Why are you telling us to stop?
Leave.
Better leave.
If you want us to leave, can you turn on that flashlight between Hannah and Robert? If you do that, that'll be our final sign to go ahead and pack up and go. If not, we're going to try to keep talking to you. That went on and off.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, thank
Holy
you
shit.
for the communication. We're going to go ahead and close this communication session and get ready to leave. Thank you so much.
Yep,
Thank
we
you.
appreciate it that you communicated with us and talked to us. Okay.
Interesting.
That did get very interesting towards.
Definitely wants us to leave.
Hop out, film some outros, and get out of here.
Do we want to? Yeah, we can film them out there, or do we just want to film it in the car?
I'd
Not
say
really.
we usually get better angles on everyone in the car.
Yeah, but I'm not a fan of filming in the car. It's just so cluttered. And there's no good background or anything.
I can't feel my toes.
Yeah, no, my feet are so cold. I honestly don't want to get out of the car again right now.
Well, that was interesting.
It's like every time we ask questions about the murder, it's when everything gets jumbled up in multiple things or something keeps throwing something off.
It's like one thing wants to tell the story, but the other thing's like, no,
Yeah,
we're not telling them what happened.
but why though?
Someone doesn't want to get found out.
So maybe. Well, so that wasn't too long ago. Is her husband like alive still?
I don't know.
Cause like you could think that maybe if the
I can
killer,
look.
if the killer was also dead, maybe the tragic event
You
of
know,
her death bound her here to this spot, and maybe
what he
having
did.
committed that act bound him to this spot when he died.
No, that would make sense. Makes perfect sense.
Basically tying them together forever.
Just in a horrific way.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
I thought that was a
I thought
car
that was
coming.
a car. I was like, who is speeding?
I was
You
like,
hear a car out loud, they booking it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
and
was
I'm
my-
not moving.
That was my point. I'm like, okay, we're not moving. So who's driving at us? Seen anything?
No.
You need to watch that movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had no idea that was a thing.
That's what we should do. Either Friday night or Saturday night of next weekend, instead of investigating, sit down and watch that movie. Like, as a
movie
group.
review.
Yeah. That'd be cool.
Like, just tweet about it. Like we could watch it Friday night. If we both plan to drop our Bird Bridge video that Friday,
Mhm.
watch the movie Friday night and be like, after investigating, editing, and dropping this video, we decided to sit down as a group and watch the movie. Who thinks we should go back?
I found a lot of information.
Oh, that's good.
It's from Lansing, Kansas, but a lot of it's tying in. It says a former church pastor who killed his wife and plotted to kill his lover's husband in a tears. I don't know that word. Anyways, then starred a TV miniseries, married a preschool teacher in a prison ceremony. Thomas P. Bird, 38. This was in 1980, by the way. and Terry Lynn Smith of Kansas City, Kansas, were married Thursday at the Kansas State Penitentiary, officials said. Byrd is serving a life prison term for first-degree murder and the slaying of his wife, and a term of 2.5 to 7 years for solicitation to commit murder. The second charge stemmed from an unsuccessful plot to kill Martin Anderson, the husband of Lorna Anderson Eldridge, who was identified in court testimony as Byrd's lover. Anderson later died in a separate incident.
We solved the crime 50 years ago. Here we out here trying to solve it today.
Well, like, not really though.
Because it was initially ruled a traffic accident when her car was found on the Cottonwood River near Emporia.
You gotta think also, back in like
But
the
if-
1980s, if a woman died and there was any type of affair, the husband stood no chance. Like, he would have had to been rich to win that trial, even if he
Oh.
really didn't kill her.
The investigation was reopened after Anderson was shot to death in a Geary County field in November 1983, and Byrd's association with Mrs. Anderson became known. No one was convicted in Anderson's death.
Wait, hang on.
Anderson was the Lorna was the
Yeah, but
Where'd that
her
happen?
body wasn't found until 1983.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's hop on somewhere else.
I'm gonna do more. Are we all getting out, or can I research?
Well, we're have to get out and film the outro.
I just took my clothes off.
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up our investigation of Byrd Bridge for tonight. Hannah, what did you think?
You know, it was definitely weird. I really didn't enjoy being grabbed. So whoever did that can stay here. Thank you. But it was definitely interesting.
Thanks, Xavier.
Yeah, it was slow. Then we was getting some stuff. Had a police interaction. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Waiting to come back, honestly, when it's not so cold. We could probably even go down, see what's under the bridge.
It's definitely a very interesting night. There's not many bridges like this left, so it was very cool to be able to come out here and explore the bridge. So, thank you, everybody. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and everything, all that good stuff. Have a good night.